So previously, I have shown you how to cook beans just by themselves, and that applies to all sorts of beans, whether it's string beans, long beans, hyacinth beans, or any other beans. But today I'm going to show you a different variation. So here I have long beans that we harvested from my garden, and I took a potato. So ideally, I would like the potato to be half the quantity of the beans, but then, this was the smallest I could see. So for these beans, good thing about these beans is that you don't have to string them. So I'll just line them up. If you haven't seen the video where I harvested these, I have put the link in the description and you can check it out, because I want to just cut them in one go. And you want to just cut off the top part and then just cut them in small pieces. And even the thick ones, they are not overripe, they are fine, I can tell. Oh. So if they are overripe, then it will be even difficult to chop them. So just cut them in small pieces. And I love the taste of the vegetables when they are coming straight from your garden. They are so fragrant. Okay, and I'm going to use only half the potato because this is just too much. Okay, so then again I'll just make slices of this and just cut them in small pieces. There's no hard and fast rule, you can do whatever you want, but in general, when you are cooking two vegetables together, if they are of the same size, then they will cook at the same time. Otherwise, one will not be cooked and the other will be cooked. And the other thing you have to keep in mind is that suppose one vegetable is hard and the other vegetable is soft, then when you cook them, you want to start cooking the harder vegetable first. Otherwise, they'll not be done at the same time. The pan is hot, so I will turn it to low. Again, I'll just put about a teaspoon of oil. And so this is, a very convenient spice box in which I have all the spices that I need to cook most of the things, Indian things at least, in my kitchen. So cumin seeds, coriander seeds powder, red chili powder, dried mango powder, turmeric powder, salt, and this is garam masala, which is like a combination of lot of fragrant spices ground together, like cloves, cinnamon, cardamom, mace, bay leaves, black pepper, etc., cinnamon. So now I'll just turn it off, it's too hot, because the spices will burn. So I'll put half teaspoon of cumin seeds in the oil, so they'll start to puff up. They are sizzling already, you can see. Then I'll put quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of red chili powder. You can skip red chili powder if you don't want to make it spicy. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and just saute them a little bit so that they are cooked. And now just add our cut vegetables, potatoes and beans, and keep on low heat because you don't want these spices to burn. And now, as per your taste, add the salt. I'll just add a little bit more than quarter teaspoon salt, up to you, how you like it. And if you feel that it's kind of too dry or burning a little bit, add a little bit of water. And then cover it up and let it cook in its own steam for 10-15 minutes. So but every 2 minutes you have to kind of check. It shouldn't burn, and it shouldn't dry up, because if it dries up then it will stick to the bottom and it will burn. And I don't know if you noticed, I use cast iron pan, so that I get traces of iron in my food. So now we'll just wait. It's been a few minutes. Let's check. They look fine. Just leave it on low heat. Few more minutes have passed. It has become drier, and you can try breaking the potato. It's not breaking easily, so we still need to cook a little bit more. Few more minutes have passed. Let's see. Now you can see it's kind of dry. Some of the potatoes are sticking to the bottom, but it's not that bad. Okay, let's see. Like if I take a potato piece and it's soft. So you don't want it like really mushy. So there will be a little bit crunch in the beans, and the potatoes are soft. So that's good. So now final touches. So I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, which is like fragrant spice. So you want to add it in the end and not cook it too much after that, because otherwise all the fragrance will be lost. And a big pinch of dried mango powder. Just mix it up. Turn off the heat. And at this point, you should taste it. Good. So adjust any spices you want, and it is ready. So you can serve it with roti and dal, or rice and dal, but fresh from your garden to the table, it is ready to be served. And it's so easy to make. Just put some oil, cumin seeds, turmeric powder, coriander powder, red chili powder if you want. Add the beans and the potatoes, and a little bit of water so that they don't dry up, and let them cook on low heat. And in about 15 minutes, when the potatoes are soft but the beans are still crunchy, you want to stop and just put garam masala and dried mango powder, and that's it. So I hope this video was useful to you. This is one of the ways that I cook beans. And try it out, and write down in the comments if you liked the recipe, or if you have any questions, and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.